Appleby has acted as Jersey counsel for Atrium European Real Estate Limited in relation to the successful placement of a €350 million unsecured 7-year Eurobond, bearing a fixed coupon of 4% per annum. The proceeds of the issue will strengthen Atrium's liquidity and will be used for general corporate purposes, including acquisitions, as well as the refinancing of existing secured debt. The future landscape of the investment funds industry will be affected by external factors just as much as regulation, according to an exit poll of the 400-plus delegates attending last week's Guernsey Funds Forum in London. At the event, PwC's global financial services leader Nigel Voot and Better Capital's founder John Moulton discussed opportunities on the horizon.
There's going to be a lot more IT, cloud, stuff being done at distance. Economies of scale being harvested in that process. At some stage we'll get rid of the bloody ludicrous processes we currently have for money laundering and automate those. Yep. Know your client will become something that doesn't involve photocopying last year's utility bill 45 times. And there's lots of opportunities for people to actually take out some of the administration and to get economies of scale on them. That is something which will definitely take place.
I totally agree. I think the whole process will be looked at, disintermediated. People will put together packages of the skill sets. You could create utilities to look at AML, KYC for an island like Guernsey or an international financial centre. That in itself will be a profit centre for somebody, it's a cost to somebody else. And these things will happen and you'll just disintermediate the whole process. And you'll end up people doing the front office, back office, and it'll just work in a different way.
Stanley Gibbons' board of directors held their annual general meeting on May the 1st in Jersey. The board is pleased to announce the start of 2013 was 12% above last year's turnover. Chief Executive Michael Hall said trading has been strong across the board, with an increase in interest for rare and high-value British stamps, rare coins and other top-quality collectibles. JTC Group and Kensington Trust Group have announced a strategic alliance that was agreed in Kuala Lumpur back in March. The alliance creates a global offering for trust, fiduciary and corporate services, plus fund administration. KTG has offices in Malaysia, Singapore, Labuan and Indonesia. IFM Group has announced the retirement of Eric Axford as chairman. One of the founders of the highly acclaimed international wealth management firm, Eric has handed over leadership duties of the Jersey-based group to colleague and fellow director Brian Morris. And finally, John Moulton has been appointed as a director and chairman of the Channel Islands Stock Exchange. He takes over from interim chairman Advocate Graham Hall, who remains on the board and will temporarily assist to ensure an effective handover.